All right, so you created your folder. You're now ready to create the slide. So I click New again. I'm come down to Google Slides, click that, and my new slide will appear. So on the first line, I'm going to put Passion Project, and on the line below, I'm going to put my name. So I'm going to stick with this one. Then I'm going to come up to the top here. I'm going to click once, and you'll see it picked up the title. So I just hit enter, and now the project is saved there. The next part, I'm ready for my new slide. I'm just going to hit this plus sign up here. And the last thing we're doing is clicking Slide and Apply Layout. We need it to be completely blank, which is all the way down here. I click that, and now I'm done. I have my title page, I have a blank slide, I have a title named Passion Project, and it's inside my folder. This is going to be very easy for me to find. So you're ready to go. That's the challenge. Good luck.